Lots of things you have to know about this cream. There are 2 types out there in the market, and one is actually like more effective than the other.
But when there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep.
Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you are returning, you are welcome also. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you like the content that I create, what are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. So lovely, today's video is a requested video. Sorry about the background noise, okay? It's actually noisy outside, all right? So just pardon the background noise, all right? Today's video is a requested video by a subscriber. She's actually like brown skin, caramel complexion, and she said, Ella, which type or what type of cream is affordable and good for skin brightening? I hope you all know there's difference between skin brightening, skin toning, skin whitening, and bleaching. There's a huge difference between all of them. So today I'm going to show you this lovely cream that actually brightens your skin. This cream will not bleach you, so I hope you know it won't bleach you. It's just going to like tune your skin a little, make your skin bright, smooth and supple. I mean, this is a family cream, okay? If your family has not that very dark skin, but a brown lovely complexion, and you want to like smoothen your skin and make your skin look lovely and beautiful, yeah, this is a cream for you. And the name of this cream is 3D Skin Brightening Hand and Body Cream. I'm gonna leave the picture of this cream on the screen for you to have a close view of how this cream really looks like. It's a nice brightening cream. Like I said, it's not going to bleach you. It's not going to give you anything like dark knuckles, patches or anything whatever. No, this cream is a family cream. You and your family can use this cream and you will love it. In fact, you will enjoy it. You'll come back to tell me thank you. But mind you, it's not going to like brighten your skin at once, like all of a sudden. No, it will take like 1 month to like brightening and bring out that's your complexion. Let's say it will just tone you like 1 shade and that is it. And it will make your skin so soft. I mean so soft and supple. It has a little oil in it, but if you want to add your own oil to this cream, you can also add your oils to this cream. But please don't add any bleaching oils, because this cream, as you see right here, is not for bleaching. It's just like brightening your skin. It's not for bleaching. And this is how it looks inside. It smells good, okay? So this is it. Like I said, it's a family cream. I use it sometimes, but I don't really like, this is not my cream, okay? Okay, so this cream is affordable for anybody to buy. It's good for a dark skin, light skin person, just to like brighten your skin. But there's one thing you should know about this cream. The cream has 2 types. There's the one that is a kind of light yellow, and the other one is kind of like dark. It's darker than this one, and that dark one, the one that is darker, I'm gonna put the pics on the I'll put a pic on the screen for you to see. The one that is darker is not as effective as the one that is light, okay? The 2 creams, the light one is more effective than the dark one. I don't know if I should call it fake or not, but one is more effective than the other. And this cream is going to take you to a shade. This shade you see right here, I'm going to put the shade on the screen for you. This shade you see right here, this cream will take you from this shade to this shade, and that is it. It doesn't bleach. But for those that want to do pro mixing, I don't know, you can use it as a base cream for pro mixing, but I've not really done it for pro mixing. I don't use it for my own pro mixing. When I do pro mixing, I use other creams, okay, but not this one. You can actually try it out for a pro mixing, because it actually moisturizes your skin and it's a nice cream. So try it out for those my subscribers out there that have brown skin. Let me put this hashtag brown skin. Yes, brown skin, light skin, and chocolate caramel skin. Okay, so that's it. This is a nice cream, and it's a good cream for you to try, and you will love it. Yeah, you will love it. When you try this cream, come back to the comment section and tell me how this cream looks like. Tell me what you experience from using this cream, and trust me, you'll love it. Alright, lovelies, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next video, I always say, remain blessed. Bye bye.